Welcome to the online training for EC-CAD sheet metal. In this video, we're going to look at preparing a Revit drawing to send to EC-CAD for fabrication. So what we're looking at here is we have a Revit model, and this is a pretty good Revit model, and you're going to find they're going to vary different stages. But what we want to do is we want to come over here first of all, and we want to isolate the layers or the systems we want to take off. So I'm going to come up to the View ribbon, and from that I'm going to go over here to my Visibility Graphics. As I come to that, I want to come over here and I want to go to my Filters, and I want to turn off the visibility of everything except the exhaust air. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the visibility off here. And now we'll go ahead and we'll just go ahead and hit OK. And now that got rid of everything except my exhaust air for me. If I want to select this by system, I'm just simply going to hover over the ductwork and tap my tab key. So as I tap my tab key, you can see how it's going to highlight the entire system for me, and then I go ahead and select it. Now I can come up to my EC tools on the ribbon and move over here to Export Selection. So under the pull down for Export System, I'm going to Export Selection. And now I'm going to go ahead and just save this on my desktop as Video Exhaust. And we'll go ahead and just save that here. That's extracted that out of the Revit, and now it's ready to bring into EC-CAD. While that was still selected, if I choose to, I can go back here and say, now I want to take, and I want to go to the little glasses down here on the bottom. It's the temporary hide element and category, and I'm going to tell it to hide that element. Now when I come back, I can take off the other exhaust without duplicating my efforts here. And that will conclude preparing the drawing in Revit to send to EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.